Welcome back to Codecademy's Learn JavaScript course. This is the scope section, global scope. Scope is the context in which our variables are declared. We think about scope in relations to blocks because variables can exist either outside of or within these blocks. In global scope, variables are declared outside of blocks. These variables are called global variables because global variables are not bound inside a block. They can be accessed by any code in the program, including code in blocks. Let's take a look at an example of global scope. Const color is assigned blue. Const return sky color takes no parameter and will return color, in this case blue. When we log return sky color, it will log blue. Even though the color variable is defined outside of the block, it can be accessed in the function block, giving it global scope. In turn, color can be accessed within the return sky color function block. Let's work with global variables to see how data can be accessible from any place within a program. Our instructions say at the top of main.js, write 3 global variables. Name the first variable satellite and set it equal to the moon. Name the second variable galaxy and set it equal to the Milky Way. Name the third variable stars and set it equal to North Star. So let's create these variables. So we passed our first one, 2. Below the variables created in the previous step, write a function named callMyNightSky. Inside the function, include a return statement like this. So let's do that. Run it. Pass that one. 3. Beneath the callMyNightSky function, use console log to log the values of callMyNightSky to the console. You'll notice that the function block for callMyNightSky is able to access the global variables freely since the variables are available to all lines of code in the file. So if we go here, let's do our console log and log that function. Run it, and if we zoom out, we do get night sky, the moon, North Star, and the Milky Way. So we're just learning about global scope here, and we were able to access the variables outside of our block since they are available globally. If you get that, you guys are getting this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.